Almost. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it and you do it, okay? Okay. Alright. We'll just do one. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take this. Let me show you, please. Let me show you, please. And then we're going to put it smeared on here. Okay, because the birds like peanut butter. Ooh, so here. Here. You smeared on there. No. Let's turn it over. Now smear it on here. Okay. Ah, yum. The birds are going to love this, huh? Yeah. All right, one more. Okay, let's get this. This is bad. All right, here. Let's see. Right hand. Get your right hand in there. Just smear it on there, okay? Okay. Oh, yum. Gotta get it all over because then we're gonna put bird seed all over it. Okay? You think we got it covered? Yeah. I think so. All right, so let's put this down.
My birds.
Yeah. Let's get the bird seed out. Okay. Do you have a clean hand? That looks like it's got peanut butter on it. Okay. Here. No. All right, we're going to put it on here. And what I want you to do is I want you to take this and roll it in that. See? Can you roll it? Go ahead and roll it. Or take the bird seed and put it on top. That might be better. That's all right. Pick up the bird seed. Go do this. There you go. Get all the spots. Good job. All right, let's get some more. We're still showing peanut butter. Put that all over the peanut butter. Let's keep going. We got peanut butter there. We're going to cover it with bird seed. There you go. More. Yep. Keep going. Yeah, it's getting better. All right, let's see if there's another spot that needs to be done. There's a spot right there. Good job. Okay, should we do the other one? All right, let's do the other one. I think this one's all done. Okay,